Boundless Immigration News. Weekend Review, June 18th, 2021. U.S. expanding work permits for immigrants who are crime victims. A new U.S. immigration policy announced on Monday will expand access to work permits and deportation relief to some immigrants who are crime victims while their visa cases are pending. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, will create a process that could allow tens of thousands of applicants for U visas to receive work permits if their claims are deemed to be made in good faith and without the intention of defrauding the immigration system. U.S. Senate confirms FDC Circuit Judge. The first federal appeals court appointment was confirmed by the Senate this week. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is a former public defender and member of the U.S. Sentencing Commission. She's also been a Washington, D.C. federal district court judge since 2013, when she was appointed by President Barack Obama. In recent years, she issued the ruling that blocked the government from expanding fast-track deportations without immigration court hearings for undocumented immigrants. U.S. to grant asylum to domestic violence survivors once again. Wednesday, the Justice Department threw out a Trump-era decision that made it almost impossible for immigrants fleeing domestic violence or gang violence in home countries to get asylum. To win asylum, immigrants must prove that they've suffered or fear persecution based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. In two decisions, Attorney General Merrick Garland threw out several controversial legal rulings by the Trump administration and effectively restored the chance for asylum protections for women fleeing from domestic violence in other countries and families being targeted by violent gangs. Biden announces thousands of Central American immigrants can petition to come to the U.S. This week, in an effort to discourage young people from traveling to the southern border, the Biden administration made tens of thousands of Central American immigrants in the U.S. eligible to petition for their children to come to the country legally. Right after he took office, Biden ordered officials to bring back the Obama-era Central American Minors Program, which allowed certain at-risk children in Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador to come to the U.S. as long as their parents had secured legal status. In March, the DHS and Department of State started to reprocess cases of families whose applications were closed during the Trump administration. Now the Biden administration is also allowing new applications. Those are the top immigration headlines for the week of June 14th. Be sure to subscribe to Boundless for the latest in immigration news. Thanks for watching.